Are you tired of floundering in the murky waters of mediocrity? Do you long to live a life of significance and triumph? Do you desire to break free from the settle for mentality of today's society? Hi, I'm J.W. Neal, author of the new book, Ain't Nobody Really Happy at the Bottom, Except Catfish. Learning to leverage the simple ABCs of human achievement in your daily life. It's time to leap forward into the new life you've only imagined. Forget ivory tower exposés. Get ready to sink your teeth into a down-to-earth story that has been hammered out on the anvil of Father Time, wrought with pain and anguish, tempered with love and laughter, only to burst forth in victory. Prepare yourself to discover that each temporary setback is just the temporary and valuable in the creation of who you were designed to become. That the greatest space exploration is not outer space, what others say, but inner space, what you say about yourself. That what you think of yourself far outweighs what others may think of you. Join the journey to a life of significance and triumph today. Don't wait. Say yes to yourself and no to mediocrity. Become a top feeder. You will never regret it.